KFC, an iconic brand, a pioneer in fast food, and a global symbol of fried chicken mastery. Its story is one of humble beginnings, bold innovations, and a relentless commitment to flavor. From a small roadside restaurant to one of the largest fast food chains worldwide, KFC's journey has reshaped the way the world enjoys fried chicken. How did it achieve this level of success, growing from a single secret recipe to a global phenomenon? The journey began in 1939 when Harland Sanders, later known as Colonel Sanders, created his legendary secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices. This wasn't just a meal, it was a revolution in flavor. Using a pressure fryer, Sanders was able to craft fried chicken that was perfectly crispy, tender, and packed with flavor, all while reducing cooking time. This innovation set KFC apart, offering a consistent quality that customers fell in love with. But Sanders didn't stop there. He transformed his recipe into a brand, bringing a unique dining experience to countless people. In the 1950s, Sanders began franchising KFC, marking a turning point for the brand. His first franchise deal was with Pete Harmon in Utah, and together they opened the first official KFC restaurant. This partnership laid the groundwork for KFC's rapid expansion across the United States. Sanders himself became the brand's ambassador, with his iconic white suit and string tie symbolizing trust and quality. His persona resonated deeply with customers, making the Colonel not just a businessman, but a beloved cultural figure. However, KFC's journey was not without obstacles. The fast food industry is fiercely competitive, and KFC had to continually innovate to stay ahead. From economic challenges to shifts in consumer preferences, the brand faced its fair share of hurdles. Yet KFC adapted, introducing new menu items like the Zinger Burger, popcorn chicken, and plant-based options to cater to evolving tastes. It embraced cultural diversity by tailoring its offerings to local markets, such as spicy chicken in Asia and rice bowls in the Middle East. This ability to innovate while maintaining its core identity is a cornerstone of KFC's success. KFC's global reach today is staggering, with over 25,000 outlets in 145 countries. This vast network is supported by an efficient supply chain that ensures every piece of chicken meets the brand's high standards. Beyond its menu, KFC has invested in sustainability, exploring eco-friendly packaging and reducing food waste to meet the demands of environmentally conscious consumers. It has also embraced technology, streamlining operations and offering convenient options like delivery and online ordering. More than just a restaurant, KFC has become a part of people's lives and traditions. Whether it's a family gathering, a celebration, or a comforting meal after a long day, KFC brings people together. Its ability to evoke nostalgia while staying ahead of modern trends has made it a timeless brand. By consistently delivering quality and innovation, KFC remains a favorite choice for millions around the world. Today, KFC stands as a testament to the vision of Colonel Sanders and the generations of leaders who built on his legacy. It's not just a fast food chain, it's a brand that has redefined the industry and touched lives across the globe. As KFC continues to innovate and expand, the question remains, what exciting milestones will it achieve in the future? If you're inspired by KFC's incredible story, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more brand success stories. Like, comment, and share your favorite KFC moments with us.